Yo guys, so like I'm freaking flushing out my coolant right now. I'm using antifreeze 50/50 preloaded. I'm supposed to use the super coolant, the blue one, but that's all I have. Or I could have checked if they had the super coolant, but so far it's going good. Flushing everything out. It's blue, and I remember I missed it with the green coolant, so that's why I'm flushing it. Then I believe this one, I opened it up so it can, the heater, and I opened it up so it can flow faster, it can drain quicker. This is all the stuff I took out, everything underneath, and I also took out the tires, jacked it both sides. Yeah, see, I jacked both sides up. The bumper, it's not completely off. That's the super coolant, the blue one. The reason why I changed my coolant because my reservoir was on low and I'm scared for the car to overheat. I think you don't need the super coolant, the blue one. As long as it's 50/50 antifreeze, I think they're the same. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure. As long as it doesn't overheat.